Alright, in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to recover deleted posts on Facebook. Peradventure you have some posts you want to recover, just follow this step I'll be showing you. So just go to your Facebook profile. Once on your profile like this, the very first thing you want to do is you want to go to where you have the menu section. So just come to this hamburger icon up here and click on the three dash you're seeing right here. So this is where we have the menu section. So the next thing you want to do right here is for you to go to your setting and privacy. So once you come to setting and privacy, can you see? So right here, come to where you have settings. So click on settings. Once you click on settings, scroll down till you find activity log. Let's scroll down. So can you see activity log right here where we have your activity log. If you're new on this channel, my name is Charles Chino. So and right here we talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time right here, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So once you click on activity log right here, then you get to see we have archive and we have trash. Can you see? So all the posts you've archived in the past, you find them here and you can get to recover them to your profile. Why, if you click on trash, you get to see all posts that you have deleted in the past. Mind you, you can only find posts that have been deleted in the last 30 days. Do you understand? So you can see I just deleted this right now and it's showing 29 days left. So like after 30 days, the post will be deleted from your trash section. So and if you want to like recover it, click on these three dots by the side right here. Once you click on that, right here, click on restore to profile. So once you click on restore to profile, click on restore again. Once you click on restore, then this will be restored to your profile. So let's go to our profile and check the post we just restored and see if truly it has been restored to our profile. So I just tap here. Once I tap here, come over to our profile. Let's see. Can you see? This is the post right here. Can you see? So and that is basically how you go about recovering a post on Facebook. So I believe you got value. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.